So you came here for this. What is this? This is a Xiaomi Wiha. So Xiaomi Wiha here. Uh, it's an award-winning design. That's good. So should I use a screwdriver for this? Oh no, here we go. Oh, this looks not good. Okay. Here is the screwdriver set. Looking good. Looking good. God damn. Got a little thingy here. I don't know what it says. Oh, here we go. So, oh, good mechanism here. Let's compare it with Xiaomi Mi power bank. This is only the 5000. I have the 10,000, but I don't have it here, so it's more similar to the 10,000 actually. So a little weird comparison. This is the silver color. This is the, I don't know, the basic for this product. Let's open this up. Wow, this looks great. Have all your bits here, nicely organized. And I heard it's magnetic. Oh my god, what a lifesaver this is. Look at this. Look at this. Holy crap. Holy crap. I mean, let's look at this. I'm repairing some iPhones and other things. I have this set here. These are a pain in the ass. I will show you. So, you've done some things here. PH000. Get it on the bit. Get a bit here. Oh, everything. Okay, you're done. Done your work. You put it in. It's not staying there. Now it is, because, you know, you want to show something out. It's not gonna work, as usual. But, these things are pain in the ass. But, this one, I was so afraid it's gonna have some weak magnets or something, but damn, this stays. Yeah, they are magnetic. Actually, very good magnets. Very good. Here's the pen. Oh, this is so smooth. I had a Chinese garbage thing. So hard to spin. This one is, holy crap. This is a joy to work with. Oh my god. Amazing set. Amazing set. It even has the dimple there. I mean, that's attention to detail there. Yeah, here's the dimple. That's for this. So, yeah, amazing. Great attention to detail. Oh my god, I love this. What a joy. I will look like a professional repairman now. And this is so satisfying, god damn. Holy crap. I really love this one. I didn't really get that excited about the other things, but oh my god, this is really, really nice. I heard these bits are Chinese, not German ones. The actual Wihas. But I like them. They are much better quality than this one. This one is from Lidl, if you know Lidl. This is the Park side. No, the Parfix. It's not a bad set. It's really good actually. This one. For the price. But this is a step up. Really nice. Really great. Nicely machined. Look at this. These are amazing. These look really great. Really nice looking. What a machine. So yeah, that's about it for this. You'll see how it holds up over time. I have the power bank here. I've been using this for around a year. It's not bad. It has a little scratch here. And yeah, that's about it. Looks clean. Doesn't look that bad actually. I thought it's gonna look worse after a little while. So we'll see how this one holds up. It's a tool, I don't really care how it looks. So yeah, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more. Peace out. If you want a review of something other, like maybe this Harman card and go and play, let's get this in the lens here. Yeah, this one. Or maybe these here GoPro mounts. Let me know. I even have a Xiaomi lens that you might be interested. This one it's already in box, so I can't do an unboxing, but I can do a review of that. I even have the Xiaomi E-Lite strips. I can do a review of that. And even this camera. This is the GX80 Panasonic. Great.